Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your slider. So I'm assuming you've created your home page and have it set, kind of like what we have. Um, and you have a big black box up here. So we're basically filling that in, and it's super easy. Just go into your WordPress dashboard and you just can start by creating slides. So go into slides and click add new. Let's call this one slide number 1. And all you need to do is add a featured image. So you click add media, click this text set featured media, and let's go ahead and add a slide. So any image will do, preferably a large one. And then we click set featured image, publish this, and let's go ahead and open this in a new tab so we can tab back and forth. And you've got yourself your first slide. So again, let's create another slide called slide number 2. Set it as featured image under add media, set featured image. Let's upload another slide, set it, and publish. So now we have 2 slides, and let's go ahead and create a third one just because. Under add media, set a featured image, and you can just add an image and publish it. So now we have our 3 slides, and that's all you need to do for your slider. So let's go over how to adjust some of the options. One thing we didn't preview in the live preview is captions. So you can just add content to your slide right here, just text, basic text, and it will show up as a caption. And it's just kind of an optional thing if you wanted for a caption by caption basis, if you wanted to label rooms or anything like that. Now under the address and button, that is actually controlled on your home page. So if you edit your home page, you can adjust those options up here. So you can add things like that, and then the button. And so once you view that page, you can see how you adjust those options. Then if you want to adjust the slider, it's super easy. You can go under Customize, and under Customize, look under Slider Settings, and you have a ton of control. So let's say you don't want your images cropped, you can just click Uncrop. Or let's say you don't want to see these thumbnails, hide the thumbnails. So that's pretty cool. Some people don't want the thumbnail navigation, or they don't have enough images, so you can do that. And you can hide various other things like these arrows and the bullet navigation. So for instance, if you only wanted one image, just upload one slide, and then you can just hide the navigation, and you don't need to have all the slides. So let's go and add these back in. Just for example's sake, you can turn autoplay on so it automatically switches from slide to slide. And then thumbnail count. This isn't really recommended to change, but let's say you wanted to add 5 thumbnails instead of 6. You can just change the number and it makes the thumbnails bigger. The only thing that you might run into is it kind of takes up some screen real estate. So we definitely, we tend to recommend, 6 if you want to use those. But you can adjust this as you would like. We gave you that option. So that's pretty cool. And that covers the slider. And of course, if you want to remove a slide, just either unpublish it or delete it. And if you want to adjust the order, there's plugins on WordPress.org to do it, or you can adjust the publish date. I'm not really sure on which way would be easiest for you. If you needed help with that, just jump on our forums, and we'll give you some quick directions or a plugin on how to easily adjust the order. But that covers the slider.